Hello, peace seekers. Welcome to this sunrise meditation. Sometimes in life, we are lucky enough to capture the true magnificence of our Creator at work. On many occasions, when posed with feelings of uncertainty, sadness, or contemplation, we must simply look to the sky above, then answers, reassurance, and healing power take over. The purpose of this practice is to provide you with an outlet to foster peace, comfort, or to simply start your day with Zen vibrations. You are an open vessel, ready to soak up vibes, energy, and messages upon waking up from slumber. This provides a paramount opportunity to impact how the rest of your day will unfold. During this practice, please feel free to set positive intentions that can impact your mood, emotions, and ultimately benefit your interactions with others throughout the day. Please feel free to get comfortable, sit back, and enjoy the spectacular view. To achieve optimal comfort, you may choose to relax in a space that is most desirable for you at the present time. Focus and turn your intentions inward. Take a moment to be still and take full, deep breaths. Allow each breath to ease you deeper and deeper into a state of comfort. Notice the movement of your chest and abdomen as you breathe. During this process, you may notice a heightened sense of awareness in your physical body or outer environment. You may notice tingling sensations on your skin, a sense of warmth, or cooling sensations throughout your scalp. You may even envision a particular color or hue encapsulating your body. The shade may be blue, purple, or reminiscent of one of the many colors in the cotton candy sky. Allow the color to serve as a shield of protection and comfort. Acknowledge the responses of your body and mind during this process and allow yourself to be free. Inhale through the nose for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Repeat the process. Breathe with intention. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. And exhale. 1, 2, 3. As you breathe, notice how your system responds to the cleansing air entering your lungs, circulating throughout your body, and being released back into the atmosphere. Envision your breath entering your nostrils, passing your throat chakra, then serving as a source of rejuvenation to every cell and molecule. Notice any tightness or tension in your face, torso, back, abdomen, or lower body. Simply acknowledge this with no judgment. Then allow your muscles and tendons to soften and be fully at ease. Now take a moment to observe the cotton candy sky. Truly bask in the splendor that is before you. The sky is immersed with colors, vibrant, that are pleasing to the eye and spirit. Each color effortlessly melds together in harmony. There are shades of pink, blue, yellow, orange, and white, brilliantly blended. Allow your soul to be cleansed by the energy from each color. Give yourself permission to be inspired, elevated, and motivated. Absorb the healing energy in your body as you remain enamored with the wonders of nature. Take a deep breath. Inhale for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And exhale. 1, 2, 3. Once again, inhale. 1, 2, 3. And exhale. 1, 2, 3. Allow your heart to be stimulated with feelings of serenity, peace, and overcome with pure love. As we seal this practice, let's repeat these words of affirmation. Today, I vow to mimic the ease and ebb and flow of the sky as I navigate the day. Today, I will move in a rhythm with grace and simplicity. Today, I will take what I need and let go of what does not serve me. Today will be a great day. Now allow your breath to return to its normal pace. Thank you for participating in this meditation. I hope it has provided you with the tools to start your day with joy, love, and great expectation. Love and light.